IUPAC naming of coordination compound. First, write cation followed by anion. Then decide central metal atom. Central metal atom selection. And third, write name of central metal atom according to cationic or anionic part, that is, in anionic part ending by ate from the word by which their symbol derived. Next, naming of ligands. Ligands are different types: negative, neutral, and positive. Negative ligands always ending with O. Always ending with O. E or IDE replaced by O, that is chloride. E replace, in this case, Cl negative, chloride replace and change into chlorido. Peroxide, O2 2 negative, peroxo, ending O, chloride change into chlorido, ending O. In case of neutral, there are different types of naming. Naming as molecule. Suppose C6H5N. This is known as pyridine. Not as molecule. There are some ligands which name not written in the form of their molecule. For example, H2O. H2O written in the form of aqua, and free radical, that is CH3, free radical written in the form of methyl. and positive charge ligands written in the form of IUM, NO2 positive nitronium. So there are different ways to write the ligands name. Ligands always named in alphabet order, alphabetic order. The numeric prefix written before the name of ligand, such as di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa. For simple cation, for simple or monodentate ligands, whereas in bidentate or polydentate ligands, term di replaced by bis, tri replaced by tris, tetra replaced by tetrakis, pentakis, hexakis. Similarly, this is the writing of the numeric prefix before the ligands, which indicates the number of ligands involved in the coordination bond formation. Ligands mention if ligands have more atom, then they enclose in brackets. They enclose in bracket. Case second, when cationic part is complex, then first find out the central metal atom, that is cobalt here, central metal atom, and NH3 ammonia, how many? 5. Cl, how many? 1. In the form of chloride, because this ligands chloride have 1 negative charge. Bromine 1 negative, but how many atoms present here? 2 atoms. After that, you have to write down and find out the structure. Oxidation number of cobalt is X plus 5 into 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 into 2 equal to 0. Therefore, X minus 1 minus 2 equal to 0, X equal to plus 3, means oxidation state of cobalt is plus 3. Write down name. There are 2 ligands, so these ligands arrange in alphabetic order. 5-amine, that is penta-amine, chlorido, cobalt, oxidation state +3 in the form of Roman, cobalt third, and after that counter ion bromide. This is case second. We are going to learn about the naming of the complex. You have know about the complex, that is, it contains cationic part and anionic part. There are different types of compounds. First type, cation may be simple and anionic part complex. For example, K3FeCN6. In this compound, cationic part is simple and anionic part complex. So there is no rule for writing of simple cationic part. We are going to discuss about the IUPAC naming of cationic part. First, you have write down ligands in alphabet order. After that, central metal atom and their ending with ATE, and central metal atom named with the name of the symbol derived. Suppose in this case Fe, symbol of iron, but Fe not present in iron, it means this derived from Latin word, and ferrum is the name of this symbol. After that, write down oxidation number in Roman, and counter ion have no specific rule for their naming. Now, this compound contains Cn negative ligands, cyanide ligands. Number of ligands is 6. And iron Fe, oxidation state not given here. So you have to find out the oxidation state of iron. Potassium have +1 oxidation state and 3 atom present here. Therefore, oxidation number of iron, that is X, plus number of potassium 3 plus -1 into 6 equal to 0, that is X minus 3 equal to 0, X equal to +3, means there is 3 positive charge on iron atom. So now write the sequence for IUPAC naming. First, potassium, that is cationic part written first. Potassium, how many ligands? 6. Potassium, small gap between these part, cationic part and anionic part. Potassium hexacyanoferrate means terms iron, not used here. Ferrum and ending ate, ferrate, ending ate, ferrate. Oxidation state 3, written in Roman number, that is this. And finally, the name of the compound will be potassium hexacyanoferrate third.